Hi everybody, welcome back to my art channel. This is exactly the first video that I'm talking on it, and to be honest, I feel really uncomfortable, but it's okay. I'm gonna deal with it because I think this is the best way to make a better connection with you guys. As you know, English is not my native language, so if I had any mistakes, let me know and I apologize for them. In this video, I'm gonna share you a special trick to make and design new characters just by looking at other artists' piece of art. To use this trick for designing characters, you should just find your favorite piece of art and start sketching your own character just by looking at the reference that you choose. You can just get inspired by looking at other artists' illustrations. So that way you can find new ideas that are hidden in your own brain and in your own imaginations. If you just rely on the images and ideas that you already have in your head, you might get bored by repetitive ideas and characters. But when you want to find new ways to create new characters by getting inspired from other artists, you can find very creative and special characters on your own paper. So trust me and try this method at least once, then you can see that it can make you feel better by creating and designing new characters. I will talk more about this method in upcoming videos, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and let me know what you think about my videos on comments. Thank you for your time and see you.